Hey guys, what's up? So today we'll be checking out this Bomaker Parrot 1 LED projector. Its native resolution is 1080p. Stay tuned in the video and I'll show you some video qualities and how this thing performs. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel for more content like these. So according to the specs, this should project up to 300 inches. It has 6500 lumens and an 8000 to 1 contrast ratio. Gotta say it's packaged pretty well from the factory. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too heavy. I'll connect my Fire Stick to this later in the video and show you guys what it looks like. This box has all your accessories, including your remote. Nice lightweight remote. It resembles the Fire Stick remote a lot. And here goes the user manual. You definitely can't go wrong with that. There's also a protective cap on the lens. Nice and clean. Now let's check out this design in depth. Looks pretty nice. Adjustable pop stand on the bottom. Here goes your focus wheel and your keystone control. Back here is where you'll plug it in. Also some USB ports, VGA, etc. And here we have two HDMI ports and a SD card slot. Very nice overall. If I had to rate the design, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. And there goes your Bomaker branding logo. Here's your power button along with some other controls. These buttons are also under remote control. And here's a closer look at that remote.
It's down, Wendy. There's nothing we can do about that now. We're committed.
Oh, yeah?
We have made promises to our shareholders about this casino, and I don't think we want to annoy our shareholders.
I want you to admit something. I want you to admit this is all about you. And has nothing to do with what is best for us.
You've done nothing but fight me on this.
I was trying to protect our family.
That is such a tired excuse.
Let's pause.
Me. And you lie to yourself. What do you want?
There's nothing we can do about that now. We're committed.
Oh, yeah?
We have made promises to our shareholders about this casino, and I don't think we want to annoy our shareholders.
I want you to admit something. I want you to admit this is all about you. And has nothing to do with what is best for us.
You forget who you're talking to.
Your husband is in great danger.
I don't need to go in there.
You need to take Navarro down. Lie to your wife.
This is how the menu looks to select your different inputs. And these are all the settings. This is your keystone controls. I'm doing this all from the remote. Okay guys, so here's my honest view. The focus wheel broke on the first day. I had to return this unit. Now, is it worth $200+? Absolutely no. First of all, the focusing on it is definitely off. Some parts the picture will be clear and some parts of the screen will be a bit blurry. I did a review on a $100 projector, and to me it was way better than this. If you guys want to check it out, I'll add it to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, peace out.